Bakla ito guys, may kalamansi siya. May shampoo, may toothpaste. So, ilagay natin sa dark spot natin na part ng ating mukha. Kasi may dark spot. So, dito muna natin ilagay. This is amazing Ready-Me Beauty Public. Tapos na guys. Akala ko ma-update, hindi pala. So, okay na guys. I-ano natin ng ilang minuto. So, thank you guys for watching. Pa-share ng video guys. Thank you so much.